So what's up, y'all? Welcome back, my country cousins. This is Tripping with Trip. As y'all can see, I have Frenchie. Frenchie is now home. The 87 SS. You know what I'm saying? Take y'all for a spin in it real quick. I just got it back from the transmission shop. Now, don't y'all get in here judging my ride, man. It's a 383 stroke rated. You know what I'm saying? I did have a A&M shifter, well, B&M shifter, but something was going on with it. They couldn't install it, so I'll figure that out another time. Got some work that need to be done. A lot of work, as y'all can see. The interior, you know what I'm saying? I probably got to get a new dash. All this stuff is broke out of here. But you know, hey, this is Frenchie. Man, I done had this car for about maybe 3-4 years now. I got it fresh off of a deployment. And I've always wanted one of these cars ever since I was little. So there's some things that got to be taken care of that I know, and I'm gonna take care of. Some progress, some process. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta get to it. Put some work in. I'll give y'all another little walk around once I park it. There's Kane right there. So yeah, she's pretty dirty right now. Frenchie, she's home, y'all. Let y'all see what's under the hood. What we got? Under the hood right now. Got the electric fans. Let her cool up for a little bit. And we out. Hey.